How to use Siemens DPU device programming unit. First, press menu. Then have main menu. Select the operation. Loop test. Loop test is for line tracing of ground fault and short circuit. Test for the detector testing or MCP. Program for the programming of MCP, smoke detector and heat detector. If you make program smoke detector, fix here the device. Press the program. Select the address. Select the loop. If you put loop 1, just press loop 1 here, and then address. Press the address. Put the address of the detector. Then program. It's easy to use. If addressing of MCP, you need to check the back. They have red and black. Red is positive, black is negative. Thank you.